Hi, hello, and welcome to Ultimatt Videos. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, do not forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. What we're going to be looking at today is how to make a spicy puffed rice snack at home. And the ingredients you will need to make it are puffed rice, garlic, oil, curry leaves, red chilies, turmeric powder, and chili powder. After you've got all those ingredients, you're ready to get cooking. So the next thing you'll need to do is take your pot and put it on the stove, and then pour a little bit of oil in it. About 3 teaspoons should do good. And then after you've poured your oil in there, you might want to take your garlic out and cut it up, but you don't have to. It's not necessary that you do. You can put them in, but just make sure you peel the garlic before you put it in, like so. And don't cut it too small though if you choose to cut it. And then put it in the oil after you've taken the cut pieces or the regular pieces of garlic, and then put them in. After that, you can put curry leaves in, but it's optional. You don't have to. It is up to you. If you want the taste of curry leaves in your puffed rice snack, you can add it. But if you don't like it, you don't have to. But if you want to, you can add your chili, red chili in right now. But I didn't because if I do now, it's probably gonna pop. The seeds are going to pop and they're going to fly because of the oil. It will probably explode, so I didn't put it now. And after you've added the curry leaves, you can add in the other spices, like the turmeric powder, chili powder, and all. But when you add the chili powder, make sure you add it last and don't add it first, because if you do, there's going to be an unpleasant stench in the air, and it's probably going to make you cough. So when you do it, put like the salt first, and then the turmeric powder, and then at the very, very end, add your chili powder in the order as seen in the video right now. And after you've added all those, just give it a little mix, and then add in the puffed rice so the chili stench doesn't go into the air and all the flavor of the chili goes directly into your puffed rice. When you do, add about this much as I've shown you, which is about 4 to 6 cups for the amount of oil and ingredients I showed you, sorry. And after you added all of them, and then you mix it well, so all the spices at the bottom can come to the very top. And this is when I add the chili, so the flavor can get in, but not pop the seeds inside. Because if it pops, it's going to be either too spicy or it's going to hurt your hands. So I added it at the last, and then I mixed it a little bit more. And then that's it. This is your finished product. And this is great if you want to eat something and not gain weight, but it will fill your stomach. So if you're craving something to eat, you can eat this without sabotaging your diet. And this is good for children as well as old people, because you won't even have to chew this when you eat it. And you can add more or less spice accordingly. And this will also have a great smell in the air after you make it. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Click in the center to subscribe. Click to the left to view our previous video. Click to the right to view a video YouTube recommends for you. Bye, signing off for now, Ultimatt Videos.